Good morning, children. Today we will be doing exercise 2C, multiply the following. This you have already done in your previous class. This is 83,683 multiplied by 4,827. Now you have to multiply this number. First we will multiply by 7 and we will get this 5 lakhs 85,781. After multiplying the first number, we will go to the second number and we will leave this. We will put a 0 over here and then we will multiply by 2. Then we will get this number 663761, and after when we will go to multiply by the third digit, then we will leave the 2 space here. And then we will do it from the third one. And this 8 3 is 30. Then we will multiply this number and we will get the 464966. Right? After multiplying the third, we will go to the fourth digit, that is 4. Then we will leave the 3 spaces here and then we will do the multiplication. After multiplying by all the numbers, you are going to add up all the digits. And after adding, we will be getting 148739304. It is a very simple method of multiplication we have been doing in the previous classes also. And then the next question, when we will multiply by the thousands, hundreds, tens, we will just first write the zeros. Like in this number, we have 62,840 multiplied by 3,000. In this, we will write down the 3 digits first here and we will take 1 0 here. Then we will multiply by 3. We will break the number. 3 4s 12 and 1 will be here. 3 8 24 and you will get 25 here. You will write 5 here and 2 here. Then by 2, 3 2 6 plus 2 8 and then 3 6 18, and you will be getting this answer. After the multiplication we have division. In division of the large numbers, it is also the simple the way you have done in your previous class. The number is written like this. First we will place them into the order like this. Like 37,85,623 divided by 4,528. The answer which we will get will be known as the quotient, and whatever is the remainder will be remainder, and this is the dividend and this is the divisor. Right? So first we will see 4,528. But this number 3,785 is smaller than this number. So we will take up to here 6. Right? When we will divide it, we have to first multiply it by 8. In order to, after multiplying it by 8, we will get this number. That is 36,224. And after getting this number, we will subtract it and we will get, then we will get 1,632. Then we will take down this 2 here and then we will start multiplying the digits with 3 and we will get this number. After getting this number, we will subtract it and we will be getting 2,738. And then we will take down the last digit, that is 3, and when we will multiply it by 6 and you will get this number 27,168. And after that we will subtract it and we will be getting 215 as a remainder. So this is the quotient is 836 and the remainder is 215. Now we will be going to the next exercise, that is exercise 2A. Now this exercise is related to your simplification sums. Simplification sums are very easy. We had been doing in the class 4 also. So let's start with the simplification. here the first sum in your, this is solve the following. This is the number 5400 divided by 27 plus 50 into 4. Now this is the number. Now what we have to do is that first with the formula of BODMAS, B means bracket, O means off is that multiplication only. D is division and M is multiplication, A is addition and then subtraction. First we have to see that whether we have the bracket or not. If we are not having the bracket, then we will see the off also we are not having here, then we are having a division. First we will be doing the division. So first we will take this portion 5400 divided by 27, and in the rough work you see, don't forget to do the rough work, because in the exams you will be getting the marks on the rough work also. 27. Now 27 2s is 54 minus, and you will be getting 0 here. We'll take down this and we'll put there 0 and then 0, and we will be getting 200. Now next step is, that is 200 plus 50 into 4. Now this much is left. Now next step is, after division we will be doing multiplication. That is 50 into 4. And we will be getting 200. Now here 200 plus 200. Right? Now when we will, now we will be having only addition. Now we will, what we will write here? 200 plus 200, 400. And that is your answer. Now going to the next sum of it, we will see simplify. Now the next sum, it is also the simplification, that is to state true and false. State true or false. Now this is, A1 is 99 plus 45 into 21 minus 86 is equal to, in the bracket, 99 plus 45 into 21 minus 86. Now this is also the same. First we have to take this portion and then this. We will simplify this portion first. Here we have the same with the help of the BODMAS formula. First we will simplify the brackets. So in the bracket we have 45 into 21. So first we will simplify this one. After multiplying this, we will be getting, in the rough work we will be doing here, 45 into 21, 1 5, 1 4, 2 5s 10, 2 4s 8, 9 90, and we will be getting 9 4 5. Here we will get 9 4 5, and now we have 99 plus 9 4 5 minus 86. This we are having. After the division and multiplication, we have to add up. 99 here. Now 9 plus 5 is 14, and 1 will go here. This again it is 14. 1 will go here, and this will become 10. Now we have got 1 0 4 4 minus 86. Now we will subtract 86 from here. And we will get 14 minus 6 is minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 here. And this will become 3. Now again we will take it from here. This will become 10 and this will become 9 and this will become 13. 13 minus 8 is 5 and this will become 9. And we will get 958. Right? And after solving this, we will solve this one. First we will solve the bracket again. And in the bracket we have 99 plus 45. And what we are going to get, we will be getting 14 here, 1 will go here, then again 14, 144. Now multiplied by 21 minus 86. Now we will solve this portion, multiplication one. So when we are not having the space, I will be rubbing it. It is 144 multiplied by 21. 1 4s are 1, then 2, 2 4s 8, 2 4s 8 and you will get here 2. And 4, 12, 9, 10 and this will be this. Right? 3024 minus 86. Now we will subtract 86 from here. When we will subtract it from, we cannot subtract, so we will take it 1 here. It will become 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. And this will be 1. This will become 2, 10 and this will become 9 and this will become 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. And this will become 9 and 2. We will be getting 2, 9, 3, 8. Now you will see that these two are not same. So this is false. Your answer is false. Like this you will be doing. The next is, this is the way you have to simplify both the portions and see whether the answers of both the portions are similar or not. If they are not similar, then they are false, and if they are similar, then they are true. That the statement is true. After solving this, we will be doing one more sum, that is simplified. That is also the same way we have to do. This is 9 into 7 plus 34 divided by 17 minus 5. This is very simple sum. Here also, with the help of the BODMAS formula, we will first do the division work, that is 34 divided by 7. We will solve 17, sorry. Here 34 will be divided by 17 and we will be getting 2 here. And this is equal to 2, and now we have 9 into 7 plus 2 minus 5, right? Now 9 into 7 is 63 plus 2 minus 5. Now 63 plus 2 is 65 and then minus 5, and the answer will be 60. Like this we have to do the simplification sums. And now we will be doing the next chapter, that is the fractions, in the next video. Thank you.